Hello lovely people, welcome to my kitchen. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Today on our menu we are going to have Ntroba Abom. Yes, Abom neye babezi. So let's see the things we are going to use. We have some garden eggs, 4 medium size. We are also going to make use of turkey berries, ginger, onions, peppers and tomatoes. I want it a bit hot, so that is why I added the ginger to it. You're also going to use some granite or peanut. If you're a beginner, please you can omit it or just use a little. Our palm oil, our salt. We're also going to make use of this salted fish. Kobe Almighty. 2 eggs and also my smoked fish. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to boil our turkey berries, our garden eggs. I'm going to add 1 onion and also the ginger. We are going to boil all of them, add our tomato and our peppers to it. And what I'll do is I'll let it cook halfway before I add the Kobe to it. So I'll also add the eggs to it and cook them. Okay, and so I waited it for it to cook halfway because I didn't want my salted tilapia or Kobe to be too soft. So I removed the eggs and put them into a cold water. This time around we are going to blend, or we are going to grind our peppers, our onions, our ginger. We are grinding everything together. We are grinding to make sure that at least the seeds of the pepper will grind very well, even though you can't get it 100%, but at least you can grind it. And this is abom, so you are going to add our granite to it. This is abom. You know abom, usually you don't make it very smooth. Abom is your roughage kakra. Okay, so we'll also add our tomato to it and then grind it or blend it very well. And we are also going to add our garden eggs to it and grind everything. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. And thanks so much for passing by. If you're already part of this channel, I say God bless you for always watching, and your ideas, your comments, your likes, and you sharing. I really appreciate it. God bless you. Okay, so blend everything together, and at this time we're going to add a bit of salt to it. We don't need much. I mean, I don't want it salty because of the Kobe or the salted fish, and so just a little bit of salt will make it okay. And if you are here and you want to lose weight, please check day 1 and start. Okay, so we are adding our oil, just a little bit. The oil, the quantity depends on you. I will let it warm, then I'm going to add my onions. I slice the other onions, and so I'll stir fry it a little. Then I'm going to add my salted fish or my Kobe to it. I mean, you can decide not to add it to the oil because you have cooked it or boiled it. So if you don't add it to the oil, it's still okay. But I just wanted to give it a little bit of fry in the oil. Okay, then I'm also going to add my smoked fish to it and then just cover it for some 2 to 3 minutes and then take it off, and that will be okay for me. So please, if you want to lose weight, just check the videos from day 1 and then start watching and practice them. Add exercise to it, drink a lot of water, and add flat tummy water to it. Check the description box for flat tummy water. And so our oil is ready, and I'm going to pour everything onto our abom. You see, our abom is very green, and that's because we use most of the things we used are green, like the turkey berries, the peppers. They are all green except the tomato, and it was just one. So green. Okay, so you're adding everything, and so that is it for our challenge today. Our Ntroba Abom, yes, garden egg sauce. So thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Bye bye.
Send me straight the way I'm my man. So me boo, so me boo.